So we're back to Boyu. Random YouTube celebrity presents friendship because budding.
I so wish my homework was asexual so it would do itself.
If your homework was asexual, it would multiply. Hashtag to understand this, you need to study and not watch Big Bang Theory, hoping that Sheldon will teach you physics. Hashtag that was a long hashtag.
Guys, can we get back to teaching these kids something? Please?
So, getting back to budding in Hydra, we begin with drawing a sort of rectangular body, not like box rectangle because our budget constraints don't allow us to afford luxuries like a scale. And then we draw its tentacles, which are just lines in random directions because sticking to one direction is so mainstream.
After that, we draw a small bud from the so called rectangular body. Since it's the first stage, the bud should be rather small and they wouldn't have tentacles.
A little heads up, this diagram has 4 phases and you'd have to draw the Hydra 4 times. But we're not gonna do that because we're cool like that. So as I was saying, in the second stage, the bud would be a little bigger and it would have tentacles.
Even though budding is the mode of asexual reproduction in Hydra, it turns out that Hydra is not a very good budding parent. It wants to clear his hands of this poor small bud.
Hey, that bud is not very small anymore, okay? That bud is around one half of the size of the parent bud. He needs to move out and start his life, get married, have kids, go through a midlife crisis.
Enough of your auntie talk, okay? The bud can take his own decisions for God's sake.
I will start being as mean as the parent bud and drop you guys off, so please shut up. Yeah, so in the third stage, the bud is on the verge of being disposed of. So you just sort of draw it almost detached. Friendly reminder, this is your third diagram, so you have to draw your Hydra again for the third time.
Finally, the final and the fourth stage. In this, the new bud is free and no more together with the parent bud. Just draw a small new Hydra plant taking somersaults of joy.
Label your diagram and you're done! Woohoo!
This diagram was brought to you by the random YouTube celebrity who always presents our videos. Please like and share this video because we get money for it and subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, तुम्हारे घर में घुस के सफर कराएंगे. And that's it.